Hello, Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be discussing 3 of the best Android icon pack applications. Each of these icon packs offers unique designs and styles to enhance the look of your smartphone screen. Let's dive into the details and see which one suits your preferences best. Azulox Icon Pack. Azulox Icon Pack is an pack application for Android users looking for modern, clean, and elegant icon designs with an attractive blue color palette. With a collection of over 2,000 icons designed in great detail, each icon in Azulox Icon Pack is created to provide a consistent and appealing impression on your phone screen. The distinctive blue color palette adds a fresh and classy touch, making these icons not only enhance the appearance of your screen, but also blend well in the overall theme. With carefully selected icons, Azulox Icon Pack is the perfect application for those seeking a modern and elegant phone screen look. Crispy Icon Pack. Crispy Icon Pack is an application designed to provide a minimalistic, clean, and sharp look on your Android phone screen. With over 5,000 icons spread across this collection, each icon in Crispy Icon Pack is designed simply yet attractively. The neutral colors dominating these icons give a clean and consistent look, making this collection of icons appear modern and appealing. By choosing Crispy Icon Pack, you can transform your phone screen into a minimalistic yet attractive display, creating a pleasant user experience and a consistent aesthetic. Black Army Sapphire Icon Pack. Black Army Sapphire Icon Pack is an icon pack application offering bold, elegant, and classy icon designs, with a touch of black and dark blue colors. With over 3,000 icons dominated by this color palette, each icon in this pack presents a strong, masculine, and characterful design. By using Black Army Sapphire Icon Pack, you can give your phone screen a different look, with an intriguing dark mode theme. This icon pack is suitable for users who want to stand out, emphasize an exclusive impression, and create an elegant and classy phone screen display. Thank you for watching our video on the best Android icon pack applications. We hope this information was helpful in choosing the perfect icon pack for your device. See you in the next video.